granules is synonymous to, first in-line defense kind of in the healthcare. You have produced a lot of high volume products, and we now see that you are transitioning into more complex products. I mean, you have shown leadership in integrated, the end-to-end kind of a pharma business. There are some news that you are also going to step into peptides and peptide CDMO. I'd like to have your views. Is this a conscious transition from volume-based to high-value and niche areas?
But from my perspective, one thing that I definitely want to emphasize is how much ever high value products you get into, I think it's very important for companies to focus on the basic essentials. And value can be defined in very many ways. Even a simple product that a patient needs on a day-to-day basis, if made in a very different way, can be, in a very innovative way, can be made very cost efficient. And that in itself can create a lot of tangible and intangible value for a country like India and for a state like Telangana. Today, even though Telangana and India were known for high volume products and now moving to high value innovative products, the basics of those products, the KSMs, the APIs, etc., a lot of them are still imported from China. And that is something I personally think we should focus on in a very different way. I'm not saying just cost, but make them in a sustainable manner. So in my opinion, while we and even Granules focuses on more value-added products and also on more innovation-led products, our innovation and our request to the government is to support companies like us in a way where, say, green technologies, say continuous improvement processes, energy-saving route processes are all provided grants for, provided subsidies for, or encouraged. And I think that would provide some sort of a strategic national infrastructure that Telangana should be proud of. And doing that will put us ahead of many other countries in the world.